Guten Morgen, meine alle. 7. Klasse, DPS Kalyanpur, Deutsche Schüler. Ich wieder und wieder hoffe und wünsche, dass Sie zu Hause gut, glücklich und gesund sind. Dear students, today in this class we continue with the remaining exercises of the workbook. That is, and the first thing in that lineup is verb conjugation. And before that, we will quickly revise the tables that we have done in the earlier classes so that it's easy for you to do the exercise. In the articles table, which we have done, we have first column article and then remaining 4 columns as genders. Here one thing I will add, which I will do verbally here. Here we are given the case of nominative article. There are 3 cases in German. They will come at advanced level in 9th, 10th. Before that, we are mostly dealing with nominative cases and sometimes accusative also. So the difference is that in a nominative case, the definite article is, in case of masculine gender, der, die, das. That is feminine, masculine, feminine, and neutral. Der for masculine, die for feminine, and das for neutral. And die again for plural. And if we take, suppose the case was accusative, the only difference that takes place here is that in case of der, for definite articles, for masculine gender, we write den. So the spelling of masculine gender in accusative case is den instead of der. The rest of the things remain same. So the accusative table will be den, die, das, die. That is masculine den, feminine die, neutral das, and plural die again. That was definite article. Now if we take the same thing in case of indefinite article, remember this table which is on the screen is for nominative case, and because in this exercise we have to use accusative case also, so I'm telling you that the only difference is that in case of masculine gender, indefinite article becomes ein, so an extra en is added. Rest of the things remain absolutely the same. So the table becomes indefinite article, masculine einen, ein, feminine eine, which is same as nominative, neutral ein, which is same, and plural blank. And then we have negative articles. Same thing goes here also. An extra en is added for masculine gender, which makes it keinen, keine, kein, and again keine. Okay, so this was the basic thing, and now we'll do exercises based on this. So, ergänze einen, eine, ein. This means we are talking about accusative case here, because in that only the table of indefinite article becomes, I just told you, in place of ein it becomes einen, only one change. So you have to see 2 things here. First thing, whatever thing we are talking about, we have to see the gender of that particular thing. Suppose ich esse dash hamburger. Hamburger means hamburger, and burger is a masculine as far as German is concerned. So when I'm saying I'm eating a hamburger, I'm eating a burger, so that will be, because it's masculine, einen. That is all. And just the same if something is feminine or neutral, they are same in both the tables, whether it is accusative case or whether it is nominative case. So now I will only tell you the genders. The rest of the things you will do as per my explanation. Pommes frites is plural, French fries. Lemonade is lemonade, E ending, feminine. Here, ein Stück pizza. You see, pizza is feminine, but Stück, the word Stück is neutral. So, it will become, so you will add it because just the blank is before Stück, so the gender of the Stück will be taken and not pizza. So, it is, now you will do, it's feminine and now you will do it accordingly. I will not tell you the answer. Okay. Then we have, fifth is also, we have Apfel Charle. Apfel Charle is apple face, which is feminine. Again, Schokoriegel. Schokoriegel is chocolate bar. It's masculine. Then we have ein Glas Tee. Again, here the same thing. Tea is masculine, but glass in German is neutral. So you have to use that article according to the glass, which is neutral, and not according to the tea, which is masculine. These are the basic things for grammar here to be understood. Then, was nimmst du? Das Schinkenbrot. I have told you again and again, all the breads, Brot heißt bread, and all the breads in German are neutral. So now this exercise you can easily do, and then we go to the verb conjugation table. Here I will quickly revise it for you before we enter into the exercises. First we have pronouns, and then we have three different types, verbs. So each for essen means to eat, nehmen means to take, and trinken means to drink. So it goes, ich esse, meaning I eat or I'm eating. Why like this? Because in German, indefinite case and continuous case are treated alike. For both of them, we have the same conjugation of the verb. So ich esse means I eat, I am eating. Du isst means you eat or you are eating. Isst means he, she, it eats or he, she, it is eating. Ihr means you both or you all. So ihr ist will mean, and also pay attention to the conjugation. First it was esse, then we have ist, then ihr case is again est with e and not with I. Because these are the basic mistakes you'll do in the test and exam when it comes to verb conjugation. So ihr est, then we have wir, sie essen. So we all, you all, formal, आप सब, and then they all. Essen, eat or are eating. Same goes for nehmen. Ich nehme, I take or am taking. Du nimmst, you take or you are taking. Nimmt, he, she, it takes or is taking. Ihr, you both or you all take or are taking. Then wir, sie. We all, you all, they all take or are taking. Finally, trinken form, which means to drink. Ich trinke, I drink or am drinking. Du trinkst, you drink or you are drinking. Sie es trinkt, he, she, it drinks or is drinking. Ihr trinkt, you both or you all are drinking. Wir, sie drinking. We all, you all, and they all drink or are drinking. And now we are going to apply the conjugation, this conjugated form of these verbs in the given exercise. So, ergänze in den richtigen Form. Essen, nehmen und trinken. Fill up in the right form these verbs, essen, nehmen and trinken. I'll do one or two for you and rest of it will be done by you. Leah was möchtest du in der Pause? Dash. Eine Birne oder eine Banane. So Leah, what would you like to have in your break time, in your recess? A pear or a banana. This means we're talking about the verb eating. So the case is was must, and here because they have used a modal verb, möchten, können, wollen, sollen, these all are modal verbs. So the property of modal verbs is whenever they are used in a sentence, the main verb always comes at the end, and that too in its original form or in its infinitive form. So the verb will be Leah was möchtest du in der Pause essen, because we are talking about eating. Okay, one more I will do for you. Nein, Mutti, ich dash lieber einen Schokoriegel. No, mother, I would rather love to eat a chocolate bar. So, esse. Und dash einen Saft. Saft means juice. So she is telling, I will rather eat a chocolate bar and drink a juice. So here it will come trinke. So in the same way, now you can do the exercise. Finally, we have Stellfragen. Stellfragen means raise questions, make questions, form questions. So here we are given the answers and you are supposed to make the question for it. For example, Nein danke, ich habe keinen Durst. No thanks, I have no thirst, literally, or I am not thirsty. So what can be the question for this? Would you like to have a glass of water? Would you like to have juice? Would you like to have a cold drink? Then you will say, no, thanks, I am not thirsty. So how we can make the question? If you want to say with respect, then you will say formal. Wollen Sie etwas trinken? Would you like to drink something? Wollen Sie etwas? Etwas means something. Trinken means to drink. Or you can say, if you want to, if you're talking to someone who is of your age or younger than you, then you can say, willst du eine Cola? Would you like to have a cola? I mean a soft drink. Then the person will say, because if he is elder than you or younger than you, the answer would be same, which is Nein danke, ich habe keinen Durst. No thanks, I'm not thirsty. So in the same way, you will do now others, frame questions, okay? So dear student, that was it for today, and now we'll meet in the next class. Till then, danke und auf Wiedersehen.